This is the DoubleTree by Hilton in Dublin. Is it glass? Is this a US elevator? This might be a US. It's not glass, that's kind of weird. Oh, cool. It's a Mosley? No, Plunger lift. Oh, I didn't know Plunger lift was still in business. That was awesome. This is a good find. I think it's GAL Jet Plus. All right, we gotta listen to that motor again. This thing runs amazingly well. It's one of the smoothest hydraulic elevators I've ever ridden. It bumps in the start there, but hey, I think it's on the verge of being low on oil, but it runs very, very well. This is probably the coolest find of the day. It's got a newer cab. I love that they kept this original. I hope it stays like this for years to come. It runs very well. Look at the stop switch. Now I'm wondering, it's kind of a square hotel, so I'm wondering if there might be another elevator in here on the other side. Gentex fire alarms too. It's a good hotel. It's a Potter system. This looks like no Hochiki. Okay. So does the hallway turn here? Yes, it does. Don't know if there'll be another elevator, but there might be. I'm disappointed that one wasn't glass, though. That would have made it even more epic. It smells musty here. Doesn't look like there's another one. Guest laundry. I doubt there's one in there, but... Well, there is another one. Where is it? It's right here. Hopefully this one's glass at least. Ow. Here it is. Sorry. And this one's not glass either. Well, this one's a higher car panel. This one has a much lower pitch motor. Not much, a little bit. I meant to say slightly, not much. And it also does not run as well. Still very cool though. The other one runs perfectly. Unfortunately, this one doesn't have a bell. Plunger Lift Elevators Inc. This one have an ADA phone. Falling out, yes. I like how the door closes when you press the button. Basic cab. Well, the cab's probably been modded, but I mean, that's fine. So is this gonna like fall out? Jesus. Hey, to fix that, give me a second. Alright, got that close. Let's take one more ride. That start sounded awesome. That's interesting. Door doesn't open when you press the floor button, but when you press door open, it does. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna stand this up and listen to the motor from the motor room. I'm not sure why the motor rooms are so far away in this building, but they are. Look at that switch. I want to flip it real bad, but I know it's gonna ring the alarm probably. That sounds awesome, and that fire alarm's falling off the ceiling. Anyway, that's going to be it for this one. Very cool find. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.